MIKEGTV. Mike G back again with another video. In today's video, I am going back to the supermarket, CHALKSTONE supermarket, to try the chicken out. I'm with a lot of other people, so they said they want to eat. They want to eat there today, so we're finally gonna all eat at the same place. But I'm not getting a steak this time. Hopefully they got that chicken. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have some kind of chicken there, but we'll see when we get there. Go over this place. Chicken. Some more chicken. That's what I had last time. Oh, they got lasagna. I'm probably definitely gonna get that. Yeah, they got lasagna. White rice with beans. Garden salad. Yeah, that's enough rice. Yep. I'm gonna do fried chicken. Yeah, that one. I guess next time I'll take some lasagna. Yes, please. This is all together? All together. Yeah.
No.
I was talking about for
the
drinks.
Oh.
Damn, while I was inside, I just missed the accident. I'm in here getting my cheap drinks. You know how I do. Alright, I guess I'm gonna eat right here, since I can't go all the way home right now, because I don't want to come all the way back here later. So let me set up, and I'll be right back. I got chicken, fried chicken. Taste this right now. It's really good. I got fried chicken, salad, garden salad, rice, and the beans are in this container right here. I know I'm not going to eat all of this right now. Save some for later.
What? No way.
Way. Half of it, I guess. Chicken is really good. They seasoned it really nice. It's nice and cool out here. State House is right across from me. I'll show you right now. Downtown Providence. Let's get back to this chicken. Chicken is not that hot, but it is really good. Cooked.
Perfect.
The rice is good. The beans are good. So once again, CHALKSTONE Supermarket did a great job. I wanted to try that lasagna. Hopefully next time I go there, they'll have it. I know they don't have the same thing every day, because they didn't have that lasagna in there the first time I went. But these rice and beans are really good. Chicken is great. So I got I think the receipt is in the car. It was $29 for all the stuff that I got. But I think this plate right here is a $9 plate. Here we go with the bees. The sun's starting to come out. It looked like it was going to rain earlier when I was working on my car, putting that brake caliper on. It was getting dark and foggy. It's still a little dark and foggy. I guess it's just the clouds are covering the sun, blocking the sun. But this damn bee won't leave me alone. Messing with me in chicken time. This chicken is great though. And put the cap on my beans. So I can eat this whole plate right now. They didn't want to get out of the car. They thought it was too hot. It's nice and breezy down here. It's not hot at all. Yeah, this damn bee. Can't eat in peace, and I don't want to get stung. And it just keeps coming back. All right, that's about it. CHALKSTONE Supermarket. Go check them out. Spanish food is great. This fried chicken is amazing. And this bee won't leave me alone, so it's time for me to go in the car. Thanks for watching the video. My hands are still greasy. That just adds to the flavor of the chicken though. My hands are still greasy from working on my car earlier. Thanks for watching the video. Mike G signing out. Like, share, subscribe. Mike G TV. I gotta pack up and go. This bees and these flies are driving me crazy. Thanks for watching the video. I ended up eating all my chicken dinner, the rice and everything. I figured I take a ride down the street and try out this Wright'S CREAMERY. So let's go in there and see what they got. Hi, I'll take the chocolate chip, a small chocolate chip sundae.
Black raspberry Oreo.
Chocolate chip cookie sundae.
Okay, do you want 2 scoops or 1?
Just one.
And then what ice cream would you like?
I'll take maple walnut.
Maple walnut? I'm getting your sundae right now.
All right. Thank you.
Of course, have a good day.
You too. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. It's nice and cool in here. I don't even want to leave the building. So good too. It's really good. I think it was nine and change for this. I was thinking about getting a shake, but this is really good. But that's about it. This is the chocolate chip cookie sundae. Really good. With maple walnut ice cream. Thanks for watching the video. I am out. I'm so full I can't even eat no more.